He got that because he was hungry. But we're going to go get ramen after, I think. I'm wearing this cutesy dress. I'll show you guys when I'm not sitting in the car. Where are we going?
We're going that way.
You won't tell me. We're like, hello? They went and it's like a red light.
What?
We're like downtown. I don't quite know what's going on. I'm really confused. I don't know what it is. Okay, you said we're close, so I'm gonna record. Now we're on the edge of downtown. Where are we? Where are we? We're going back onto the freeway? Question mark? No. A Japanese friendship garden? What? That's so cutesy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Guys, that was so fun. Couldn't record or anything in there, and my camera didn't work. We took pictures.
True.
This is what it was. Would recommend. And we got some snacks.
Oh.
We'll show you in the car. We'll do a little taste test. Alright. Jackson, will you show them what you picked out?
Did I pick this up?
Yeah. And then.
Okay, today we got Petite Island.
They look like little sandwiches with like a strawberry filling.
Like
I got this matcha genmaicha unsweetened. And then I got mochi with red bean paste. I've heard a lot about red bean paste, but I don't know if it's gonna be like sweet or not. And then Jackson got me like this little cute cup thing. I ate a lot of sushi at home. So I'll probably use it for like dipping sauce, for like soy sauce or ginger garlic sauce.
Man, I got a fish.
What is it? It's a green tea.
Green tea
ice.
fish.
Okay. Taste test.
Ooh,
I'm so
fish.
scared. Ice cream. I'm a texture gal, so we'll see if this is. Ugh, it's like starchy, like. The way it
You just gotta bite it.
Well, I'm waiting for you. That looks like it'd be good. Can you open it in front of them? He's having a difficult time. It's a fish. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I don't know if I like it.
I don't know if I like it either.
Fish.
It's not like bad, but it's not like, wow. Does yours have red bean in it too?
Ew, it feels weird.
I know, it's like corn starchy.
It's
Just
slappable.
bite it.
Is it chocolate?
No. Bite it.
Ew, look.
Bite it. Oh, cold. I like this one. You like it?
It doesn't taste bad, it just like feels weird. And it doesn't taste good.
These are good. I love this.
Look at it.
I think it's the red bean paste. It kind of tastes like gravy, like. Okay, don't be too mad. It looks good.
I can eat this. I hate it.
I don't like the texture.
I don't like anything about it. It all made me feel bad. It all made me feel weird. I don't like it.
I have to really not barf.
Yeah, I feel like I was gonna throw up. Looks cool though.
This is good. I love it.
It doesn't matter. It looks cool on this side.
Okay, you're weird. Pull it apart. Why is it so stretchy? The red bean
paste. Do you want
paste?
this?
No.
I hate everything about
The
it.
red bean paste was like, it wasn't sweet. It was like,
It was sweet. It just don't taste
it
good.
was just like very.
Can I have water?
If I have my tea. Let's try my tea. I really like that ice cream.
You really like it?
Yeah.
Personally, I liked it, but like not that much. I think that's gonna be good.
It's a really leafy taste, but I like it. It's refreshing. You?
Ew! It tastes burnt.
I like it.
It tastes burnt. I've never had a drink that tastes burnt. That's actually impressive.
Have you had matcha before?
No.
Then that's why.
It tastes burnt.
It
Does
doesn't.
it not taste burnt?
No.
It tastes like how something burning smells.
It just tastes like matcha.
It tastes like what fried kale smells like.
You don't even eat kale. How would you know?
I smelled it. I really wanted it to be good.
It is good.
No. That's so nasty.
What do you rate everything?
Everything so far gets about a 4 average.
Like the food?
Yeah, all three. Everything gets a 4 average.
Oh. I rate it
The red bean paste gets a -3.
a
This
7.
gets like a 5. And
I
drink
rate
gets
this
a
like
1. I hate that.
an 8.
I think it's like a 5 for me. It's because this is so chewy too. Like this, I thought it was gonna be like crunchy. It's so chewy. I didn't expect the red stuff, so I threw it out too. It doesn't taste bad. I mean, it's just
It tastes like green tea.
yeah, the ice cream just tastes like a tea bag.
I think yours just has. Yeah, yours has red bean in it too.
The ice cream, the green stuff tastes good. It just tastes like a tea bag though, kind of.
Is there like,
I can't be on camera with my mustache. It's so embarrassing.
you shaved his mustache because I told him to. Now I want
Yes,
it
yes,
back. I don't hate it. I just
I hate it.
didn't realize how much I enjoyed it. Now try yours.
Do we get anything else? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I put it right back here.
I have high hopes for this. Very high hopes.
Oh, it smells so strawberry-y.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. It's about what I expected.
It just tastes like Pocky.
Yeah, I was noticing that.
Pocky, but in a different.
Strawberry.
I get strawberry.
Strawberry puffy.
It just tastes like
It's good though.
more.
More strawberry.
Yeah, and the like,
Let me
you
try
could
it.
really taste this. I don't want anymore.
You don't like it?
It's okay.
I'm not eating more right now. I gotta eat this one.
It was really good though. The place was so cute. The bonsai trees, the koi fish.
We'll show you pictures right here. Ready? I hope you like the pictures. Eat.
No,
I don't want to eat it though.
I ate so much of that ice cream. I can't. You could give some to Tyson because he wanted to come. Put it like here. place. So like, it's like he was here, but he wasn't, because that would have been weird. His roommate wanted to come. Tell them.
That's all there is to know. You already said it.
Okay, so now we're gonna go to the ramen place. Well,
Got it.
in the gift shop, the like cashier lady, she was like, "There's one right here," so we're gonna go there.
Should we walk or not?
She was like, "It's in walking distance." No, it's so hot outside. It felt good this morning, but now it's hot. So